everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy, and for those of you that are new, I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. And if you're not new here, now you know. Today we are going to be doing another America's Thrift Supply box unboxing. It is a 10-piece box. I believe it's supposed to be all women's. With the discount that I do with Kristen, I paid $31.12 or $31.42. I don't know. The only thing I have done so far is undone this box, so we're all going to be able to see it together. I've got my daughter here with me who's going to help here and there, but she's not feeling that great, so she might not be in camera very much, but she's over here. Alright, let's see if it's a good one or not. For those of you who have been here before and seen these videos, this is my second unboxing for you guys, and my third one of these that I've gotten. My first one was, in my opinion, really good. It was all new with tag. My second one was 50-50. So let's just see what this one's going to be. So with this, I paid $21.25 plus $9.99 shipping, so total was $31.24 out the door. And then they got a thing in here for, let's see, tag your posts with hashtag America's Thrift Supply. Unbox your purchase on YouTube or share it on Instagram for 10% off your next order. Oh yeah. Alright, so it's in a box. Last time it was not in a bag, but this time it's in a box in a bag. So,
where's the knife?
You didn't bring me a knife like I asked.
I brought you something at least.
Okay, y'all. I asked her to bring me a knife to cut open the box. She brought me a meat thermometer.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, that's not the same thing.
I thought it would be better.
No.
We have a little guest.
Alright, well, looks like my husband let my dog out. So, I'll give you a little peeky peek on the inside of the bag. Maybe there we go. That's inside there. And
she likes the bag sound.
I know she likes bag sounds. So, do you want to give them to me again this time so I don't have to keep looking down? Alright, so give me that. Alright, so here we go. Feels like a pair of pants. Ooh, yes. Love it.
It's a woman.
Torrid pants, new with tag. Let's see, retail $58.90. It's a size 1 called We Swear by the Fits.
We swear a lot.
So there's it's just a nice pair of pants. Size 1. I don't think there's any pockets. It's called the Noir pants. So that is really good. Okay, Belle, hand me the next one.
Someone coming.
Have you talked to your son lately?
I have not. Just so you know, I'm on a video. Okay, so the next one is by Calvin Klein. It is size 4. It is just a nice yellow polka dot dress. It's actually really pretty. It is not new with tag.
Don't fit
but
me.
It's okay.
Don't fit me. I put it up against me.
Okay.
Too wide.
So this is a Saks Fifth Avenue size 12. There's that. Size 12, just a pair of black slacks. It's a very stretchy waist. And they are not new with tag either. But they're in really good condition. They're like brand new. Okay.
I don't know about girls.
Next one.
I don't know like something that girl would wear.
These are chaps. These actually might be men's. Yeah, these are men's. So these are a pair of men's chaps with a nice nautical fish themed. They are new with tag, MSRP
What are you doing?
$55. They are a size 34. So those, I don't know if chaps does really well for resale, but new with tag will help. I'm getting my own stuff because my daughter's not paying attention.
I'm about the dog. Look at her.
Playing with the dog. Ooh, this is cute. I mean, alright, so it's new tag. It's a Calvin Klein size 28 woman's jean skirt. It's got a nice like patchwork in the over here. So it's size 28. Let's see, it is new with tag. Does it give me a price? Oh, stop. Let's see. No price. But it's got some nice pockets in the back. It's actually like a nice stonewash. That's cute.
This is cuter.
No, the skirt was cuter.
No, this is a dress that's cuter.
So this is called Johnny Binny. It's a size 2. Woman's dress. And let's see, it's like a gingham. Oh, actually, no, it's not a dress.
It's a jumper?
It's like a jumpsuit, like a jumper.
Kind of like overall.
Jumpsuit. Yeah. It is not new with tags. I don't know if I said that or not. Let's see, did I say what size it was? Size 2. It's got this really cute detail in the back also.
Oh, that is cute.
Yeah, so it's
maybe that's for the front.
No, that's the back.
Are you sure?
Yeah. That's really cute. I have no idea what the resale is on that, but I like that. That's really cute.
Are you sure? I told you that was cuter than that.
I don't know. So Armani Exchange, size large.
This ain't very cute.
Just a tee, like that there. Just black, size large. T-shirt, nothing special there, but it's okay.
That's wide.
Ooh, my last box, if you guys watched the video, I did get a Ivanka Trump pair of slacks. This is an Ivanka Trump size 6 dress. Let's see. Ooh. I think in this light, I can't really tell. I'll have to look at it closer. But I think it's all stained up. It does say it's new with tags.
Yeah, that's not stained.
It says new with tags. Ivanka Trump. It does not give me a price. But there's like all this. See that there? And then that there. So I'll have to look at that closer and see. Ooh, this is nice. I haven't really gotten very many men's stuff. This is a Vans size large, new with tags. Men's shirts. See, retail is $49.
This is cute too.
It is this.
Yeah.
This nice, like, floral, sort of Hawaiian style print. I like that.
It's funny when it's buttoned.
Okay.
That's how you like take it off stuff.
Alright, this is, I'm not sure how to say that. It's Chaws, I think Chaws, New York. If you guys know how to say that, if I'm saying it wrong, please let me know. It is new with tag, also with retail value of $79. It is just a nice blouse with the weird sleeves. Is that it?
Yeah.
That's the last one, guys. I had no idea. So let's count. See what I got. Last time I got 11. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
No, you
8,
didn't get any extra.
9. Ooh, did I only get? I got 10, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 10 exactly. So actually, that was a pretty good box. I'm really happy with that one.
That was boring.
I actually really like selling men's clothes too, so I'm actually not mad at all about getting a couple of things of men's clothes in there. If you guys like this video, let me know. Leave me a like, a comment, maybe give me some subscription. I'm getting close to 200, so that's kind of like my goal before the end of the year is reach that. So help me out, please. Almost. So please, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you guys later. I'm going to be ordering another one of these boxes probably tomorrow, and I will have another one for you either next Friday or next Saturday. Have a great weekend because it's almost Friday, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.